So the question is, nalidixic acid is a fluoroquinolone that belongs to one of the following generations, that is first generation. So if we see the classification of fluoroquinolones, there are generations which are classified depending on the invention of the this and fluoroquinolones. So first generation was first discovered in 1960s and fourth generation in 2000s. So in first generation nalidixic acid was discovered in 1962, particularly in 1962, and only one drug was discovered. So why these other generations were discovered? Because they are limited, means for example nalidixic acid has limited coverage against gram negative bacteria or gram positive bacteria. There is no action on gram positive bacteria. So with the advancement, they action was, means different fluoroquinolones, that is second generation, third generation and fourth generation were discovered, which showed broad coverage or broad spectrum against bacteria, and particularly these fluoroquinolones particularly target DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 4. Into that, nalidixic acid particularly targets DNA gyrase only, and there is no action on topoisomerase 4, right? So if we see the first generation drugs, nalidixic acid, apart from that, cianoxacin was also discovered, but it was discontinued. And what is the generic form available for nalidixic acid, that you tell me in the comment. And if we see the second question, which one of the following drug is third generation fluoroquinolone, that is levofloxacin. So if we see the third generation antibiotics, there are three drugs, that is parfloxacin, gatifloxacin and gripafloxacin. So here you might see other drugs. Levofloxacin was first discovered drugs, that it was in 1996, and then after trovafloxacin and gatifloxacin was discovered. And these drugs, both third generation antibiotics, act against both DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 4, and that three drugs where I discussed earlier, these drugs were discontinued and only the levofloxacin is available. So you tell me in what name it is available in the market, levofloxacin.